What's up YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks here today for another unboxing video. If you saw our Vortex clip-on unboxing, you saw a big box with some other stuff that we didn't open up. So at any rate, we're going to be doing a twofer on this one. At the moment, we are in the middle of a budget cafe racer build. So we're taking $1,500 and trying to build the coolest cafe racer build possible. We are also in the middle of taking a 1984 Honda Elite 125 and trying to make it look a little more modern. So at any rate, we bought this bar. Initial impressions of the packaging is, obviously it came in a big box, so it was going to be safe, but it is just a bar in a bag. So, not really sure much to review as far as the packaging on this goes, but it's a nice big chrome piece of pipe that's going to hopefully make our Elite look a little bit cooler and get the wind in the old armpits, I guess. I don't know. Thanks, Emgo. You can buy these bars for like 13 bucks. So if you want your mailman to wonder what you're doing with a 32-inch piece of pipe, you can go ahead and buy this. I'm going to hand this one off to Kyle. Also in the box, this is for our cafe racer build. We have these all balls fork rebuild. This is all your seals and dust seals for your forks. Just open these up real quick. One thing I love about all balls is they have one of the coolest logos in the industry. I would say they probably have the second coolest logo right behind Siegfried's Motorworks. But at any rate, they give you stickers with everything you buy. So one cool thing, you can cover your sticker in all balls mohawks, and then you do get these the seals. Straightforward, easy, simple. Always packaged nice. Always a good product from all balls. So.